Well, taking in what that plane was we've just seen. So yeah, as you can see, that was the Vans RV-6 I've just seen today apparently. That was the Vans RV-6 I've just seen today apparently. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-CEYM, that is. Obviously this is the one that's based at David Stowe Moore Airfield. This is where it's come from anyway. Obviously, yeah. As you can see from here, it was literally flew near about 31,000 feet from here. Just literally flew in here about 31,000 feet from here. And just you can see, this is where it leads back to anyway. Just took off from this base at RAF David Stowe Moore Airfield, which that's where it's just taken off from. Apparently it's taken off from this base at RAF David Stowe Moore Airfield. This is where it's just took off from apparently. Took off somewhere just at David Stowe Moore Airfield anyway. And as you can see, now passing over to St Moors, I think. It's now at, as you can see, it's now at 13,000 feet now anyway. So yeah, as you can see, this is where he's about to anyway. It's just at 30,000 feet from here. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.